Good afternoon, guys. Kain tayo. Let's go eat. It's fish and salad and some prawns and taro. And this is my food today. And I got my coconut juice. And I have my vinegar with chili. So I don't think I can finish this, but I'm only a small eater person. Do you want some, Ellen?
No. No, thank you. Madam.
Siyempre, itong isda, this is the fish. I only eat not much, but I try the best I can. Oh, so good. Okay. So the fish, this is only one I eat. I don't eat the head. I don't eat the tummy. I don't eat the back. It's only that one. And this is prawns. We got some prawns. It's a curry prawns. I don't really use my hand, but I saw other people eating by hand, making me hungry. Nakakagutom. My husband and I, we went to the church today. After the church, I went to Samoan restaurant. I got some fish, I got some prawns, and I have some lamb. There's the lambs over there. There's the lamb. I'm not pasta eater like the other, like that. No, I can't really do it. And this is the taro. Paborito ko. Yeah, so I can't really do it pasta eater. The lamb is nice. Delicious. Ah. I have some fruit as well here. So this is the pits. I like it. It's still green. I didn't have a shower yet. I didn't have makeup because I'm sick. I just went to the doctor, my husband and I. So I haven't had time. I put some vinegar in it. Chili. Now, I have problem when I'm eating some fish. Even though it's a belly fish, I always be careful because the bone. Oh, I love coconut juice. I love the coconut juice. That's delicious. The prawn is really nice. The juice, they cook by coconut, this one. See, the juice really nice. So I have to lick it. Lick it. Because it's so nice. Siyempre, yun yung chili na ginawa ko. That is chili I make my own. Yung kita nyo, as you can see, yung tummy, hindi ko yan kakainin. Yung gitna lang. Kasi, ang hirap kainin dyan. Mataba. Tsaka matinik. It's the bone. Wow, so delicious. So guys, if you see these videos, can you please like, comment, and share? Because I need and subscribes. I haven't got much views. I haven't got much subscriber. Very delicious. But maybe one day I'll get so many views, so many subscribers. It's that time. Sorry guys, I cannot eat pasta. Because it's, the bone. The bone is my problem. So I'm done. Tapos na ako sa kabila nito na fish. I'm done this one. And I go the other side. Nah. So that's all I eat. Then I can eat this side. So yun lang ako pag kumain ng isda. Dito lang yan. Dito, hindi. Sarap. Kailangan mo talaga didilaan. You have to lick it the sauce because it's so nice. Dilaan mo talaga yung sauce kasi ang sarap-sarap. Ay, siya nga pala, yung ulo ng isda. Yung head ng hipon. Pinatanggal ko na yan. No head, so that's good. So delicious. I'm hoping I can get a subscriber. Because I got so many people in the Philippines supporting. Sometimes it's hard. I can give them lots of money because, you know, I have my own family to support too, but I'm trying to I did Reels and then the did Reels and then the YouTube. I do that only so I can help people in the Philippines. one day, my dream, one day, which I did it before when I went back to the Philippines. I want to, if I have a lot of money, my dream, when I go back to the Philippines, I want to go to old people home that they need help. Because a lot of people in the Philippines, the old people home, that the parents will abandon. And then when they die, the family doesn't go there because they abandoned them. And then they don't have a coupon to bury it. So I want to go there to help. That's my dream one day. And I want to go to the people in jail, and I'll give them to some food. It's my dream one day. And then I want to go to the Asthma Foundation to donate some money because I'm asthmatic. My kids are asthmatic. Only one day, just hoping. I have to get some more food. I have to get some more taro. Yeah. And I want to give away some food to the kids, homeless in the Philippines. Which I've been doing that now, to give away, but not to the homeless people yet. Because I want to do it. But one day, I might tell to my family there and my treasurer to just go to the street and give some food to some blanket to the people in the street. But it would be really nice. You scared me. It would be really nice if I'm there. Promise is so nice, this one. But one day, I'm gonna go home to the Philippines. Just money is tight at the moment. Can't go. Too much money. Cecil. Yung isang taro, honey.
No.
Yung isang fish.
No. Hold on, it's got no water.
There's plenty in the laundry. So, yun ang pangarap ko. Gusto ko magpakain ng mga bata sa street. Robert, can you open that shit for me?
If you
Thank
say
you.
please.
Please? Stop being a hero. Cecil.
Sorry.
Hey, that's my drink. The French is nice, huh?
Mm.
Mm.
You are my sunshine.
So that's number 2 drink. Every time I eat, I gotta have some drink. So I almost finished the fish this side. So I'm asking people, can you please subscribe me? I need a subscriber. Please. Tapos na dyan. Ayun na oh. Naubos na kang isda oh. Nasilip ko na kayo. I can see you now. So, yun lang ang kakainin ko. It's only that one. Nothing in the basura na yan. We're going to the bin. Wala na, kunti na lang dito. Ay, busog na rin ako. Ano yan? Ano na, oh. Kain ko na sa kabila. Ay, iyan ay napupunta na sa basura, may. Sabi ni Mimi, yung tisiral ko, tuwing kakain daw kami, tatabi siya sa akin. Kasi sa kanya yung mga tira. Sabihin niya, busing, huwag mong itapon yan, ha? Akin yan. At ganun din naman sa sa mga tauhan ko. Yan lang kinakain ko, tapos silang kakain ng natira dyan kasi hindi ko na makakainin yan. So, shout out to Mimi. And shout out to all my angel. Thank you for all the hard work. Malapit na rin ako mamigay ng mga bigas. At meron na rin sa inyo magkakaroon ng wifi. Dahil yan sa mga sipag ninyo. Hindi ko lang. Nagpapalo sa akin. Maraming salamat. Dahil, kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako sa social media. Sana noon pa sana noon pa nang bata-bata pa ako gumawa na nito. Marami na sana akong natulungan. Pero kaya yan natin mga angel. Kakayanin yan. Kayo pa. Nandiyan kayo palagi sa akin. Busog na ako. Ayan. It's so hard to eat with your hand because it's so messy. Oh, I'm messy. I am messy when I eat with my hand. So guys, hindi ko na ito mauubos. I can't finish this one because I'm so full. So thank you for watching. That's as you can tell, I'm not a big eater. I'm only a small eater. So really, I did it only to put some lot of food in my plate. But really, as you can see, I couldn't finish it. But this fish is so good. It's so really nice. Thank you for watching, guys. Idol, thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing, everybody.